Cyber threats are everywhere, but companies don't just need experts, they need leaders. Introducing the MSc in Cybersecurity Management and Consulting at SKEMA Business School. Delivered in partnership with ESIEA, a leading engineering school, this double degree combines technical expertise with business impact. A unique program at the crossroads of cybersecurity, governance, and strategic consulting. You'll learn to anticipate cyber threats, design robust governance frameworks, and lead high-impact consulting missions in risk, compliance, and digital transformation. With leadership training from Harvard Business School online and a strong focus on cyber insurance and GRC, you'll be ready to tackle the most complex challenges of the digital era. From cybersecurity consultant to risk analyst, from strategy manager to data protection officer, your career opportunities are global, strategic, and in high demand. Join a program designed for the future. Lead the transformation. Secure the world. Apply now